Hello, everybody. God is good?
Way better.
Yo, he's way better. Yeah. Before I graduated this year, I was told that I was going to come to the camp. And then I said, oh, cool, I'm coming. And then Sifa said, I got to pay $125. I said, you mean 25 bucks? Oh, I'm not going no more. But then I got sponsored by my auntie, so I was like, okay, must be God. And yeah, I was really touched by the testimonies today. Shiona's, Nancy's, everybody's. And you know, I'm gonna tell my testimony. I'm gonna do one big downfall one time. I'm trying not to cry. About 5 years ago, I had a film from Hoss. I lost my father. He died when I was 13. And, I thought it was all his for me. I thought it was over. I actually thought about taking my own life. I thought I wasn't going to be able to live without him. But thank God I had a family out that lives in the Bay, created for worship. Created for worship. Their parents took me in, and then I started growing up with them. And then, yeah, God's light showed up in me. And I'm just blessed. I learned a lot of things during this whole weekend. I learned that, I like to lie a lot, but I tell the truth like 10 seconds after that. I just do it as a joke. I do it as a joke. I learned that lying is an abomination. I don't want to be an abomination. But I still lied this morning, but I told the truth. But yeah, I just also learned that you just have to deny your flesh, because yourself is the worst enemy. Like, your worst enemy is yourself. And the devil's just there. He knows your weakness, and then he's just there to pursue that weakness, because he knows that you're not really gonna try to fight it. There might be things that you're going through, and he's gonna take that opportunity to just deceive you. That's when he steals you, destroys you, kills you. But yeah, I also learned that the past few days that if you let God pour into you, you gotta stir it up. Don't just let him pour into you and then not stir anything up. You're just gonna, get a nasty drink or something. But yeah, yesterday I heard a bunch of testimonies, and I was really touched because there was one question that hit me. Josh said to ask ourselves, what did we come up here for? I was like, man, what did I come up here for? And then I heard the preaching. I remember the preaching from Sam. He said in his preaching that always be better than you were before. But you know what? I'm gonna try to be better than I was last week. I'm gonna be better than I was yesterday. An hour ago, I'm gonna be better than who I was. And then, yeah, I just learned a lot, man. I had a lot of things to say, but my mind went blank. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to SoCal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Usually I just eat dinner. Yeah, thank you guys. And for Shoni, I just pray that God's hand stay over you. In your vision, how He picked you up, I just pray that His hands will stay with you to always pick you up when you're feeling down. And Nancy too. I pray for you too. And I pray for myself. I'm not perfect. I stopped smoking like 4 years ago. I stopped drinking like 2 years ago. Yesterday it was pretty funny because I learned another thing too. I learned that our patience is this little, but God's patience is Yeah, thank you guys.